This is my first time of ordering food items from Nigeria to the UK, and what all these things cost us is 493,126 naira for tinkobo. Eh? Now, wow, I was so scared at first, but I will take you down the lane and let you know how much I got all those items. Stay tuned. Oh, it's Rita, baby. With the sakba that is going on in Nigeria, I have decided to try and order things from Nigeria and bring to the UK. This is my first time of trying this, so this is my first time of trying this. Anyway, we're going to give it a try. It's not a big deal, Abby. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita in the building. Yeah, so today I'm going to be sharing my experience of sending food items all the way from Nigeria down to the UK. This is actually my first time of trying it because I wanted to try it some time back last 2 years, but it wasn't working out. I was looking at the amount I used to buy the items. Even the items might even be small, and the money they will use to send it is going to be even higher. So that was what the mindset I had in mind. But with this now, well, give or take is also almost the same thing, but fair enough. Let's see what we got here. I was even surprised at some things I was mentioning that I needed, and they also shipped that to me, like uba uba and abacha. It's been a while, but let me take you down the lane and I will be telling you how much I got them. I'm going to also tell you how much everything cost me, the shipping fee, and if it was delivered door to door, like delivered straight to my door. Yeah, I'll be telling you that also. So stay tuned and let's get these boxes unpacked. So guys, I'm ready to unbox my yeah, this is the boxes that I'm going to be opening today, and I've already opened this one because this fish was got at it, I think 2 weeks ago. So I was scared that it's going to like having a mold on it, because it's, they shipped it all the way from Nigeria. It's not like it's just a nearby place. So this is how the fish is looking. It's crunchy, it's still okay, but the thing is that everything was, most of them came in just pieces like this, but it's fine, it's fine. So these are the fish. This one are all the fish I got from Nigeria, the dry fish I got. And this fish cost about, the dry fish cost about 25,000 naira. This is 25,000 naira fish from Nigeria. So I'm going to be showing you how much it costs in UK. That's how much 25,000 naira costs in UK. You see it on the screen. So this is 25,000 naira in UK. Sorry, from Nigeria. So that aside, so let's look at this. Then we have the other stockfish. This is stockfish, the cutlet. All this together is 30,000 naira. Let's see. It's also dry. Yeah, it's 30,000 naira. These are the sizes of the fish. Well, it's better than when you go to the African shop to buy it in the UK. This is 30,000 naira fish. So we're going to be unboxing this bigger one to see if everything I ordered came with it and is complete, and I will tell you also. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your loved ones and friends, and also click on that notification bell so at any time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. In case you're wondering if these items came to my door, yes it did. So guys, this is golden more. Yeah, we needed something for serious for the children, not just all the time we are taking cocoa pods, cornflakes, this, but this is another good food from Nigeria for the kids. This is golden more. I think we only bought just one because, like I said, this is the first time we are trying this. We want to see, number one, we want to see how long it will last, and then see if it is worth it trying to buy things from Nigeria down to the UK. So this is golden more, and this golden more is 7,500 naira. 7,500 naira. So this one is the Milo or Milo, anyone, Milo. I call it Milo right from time. So this is Milo. This is how many grams is this? So we bought, it's supposed to be about, this Milo is supposed to be about 2. I'm only seeing 1, so I need to look for it very well, and then be sure of what I'm calculating here. Let me just put that aside. I'll come back to it. So we got Milo, we got Dano milk. It's supposed to be 2 also, and the Milo cost about 13,800 for 2, and this one is 12,900 for 2. So this is Maggie cubes. I was told they will remove it from the packet. That's the packet it came with. So they poured it inside a Ziploc bag. So this Maggie is about 3. This is 3 cubes. No, or 2. Is it 3 or 2? Let's see. Yeah, 3 packs, and it costs about 5,400 naira. This is abacha. Abacha. This abacha is a paint. This is a paint of abacha. Since they bought for Lagos, they use a paint bucket. So this paint bucket of abacha costs about how much does it cost again? This is 6,000 naira abacha. Like this. This is 6,000 naira. This is crayfish, grounded crayfish, and this crayfish is a paint. A paint, and it costs 7,500, but it's grounded already. So this is Amala white, cassava flour. This is cassava flour, the white one, Amala white. So this is 7,000 naira per paint. This is 1 paint bucket for it. So guys, this is ogbono. This is ogbono, and ogbono, they've branded it already. This is half paint of ogbono, which cost us about 21,000 naira. This is thyme. This is thyme, a big one, the big sachet. We asked for 2, and this is the 2 is cost us 5,000 naira. So guys, this is bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf, and the bitter leaf cost us about, let me see, 18,000 naira per kg. This is 1 kg, so it cost us 18,000 naira. This one is uba. I've been longing for uba for a long time, but this is a dry uba. So all we need to do is to just soak it, and then it will rise, and if it's soft enough, we'll be able to use it. So this is dry uba, and this uba cost us about, this is half paint of uba. This is 15,000 naira. This is dry pepper. I didn't remember. This is 10,000 naira pepper though. This is 10,000 naira pepper. Yeah. And I think this is half paint of pepper. Then guys, this is a Goosey, the melon. This is how many, this one is I'm checking how many paints it is now. The melon, the Goosey, and peel. We asked them to get and peel for us, and this is about, oh my gosh, where's the I saw it just now. Okay, this is 15,000 naira egusi. 15,000 naira, and it's a whole half, it's not half paint, it's a full paint, I guess, yeah, of egusi. No, half paint of egusi, yeah. So this is amala black, the yam cassava. This is the yam flour, rather. This is a yam flour, and it cost us also about 7,000 naira. No, sorry, this is 8,000 naira, yeah. The brown, the black one, or brown, is a black, but they call it amala dudu. So I think this is the remaining one of it, so that's the amala. Then this one is still part of the cassava flour. So this one is the pepper soup spice. Pepper soup spice, and it's about let me see, 5,000 naira. This is 5,000 naira pepper soup spice. Guys, I don't know what is, they didn't write name, and tell us all this. Okay, this is curry. This is curry. Oh, this curry now. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't even know which one is which now. I just know this is pepper soup spice. I don't know what this is, but it seems like it's the same pepper soup spice, but I'm seeing that it's a different color, but we figure it out. That should be this is a curry. We asked them to get one big sachet. This is 5,000 naira curry. So I don't know what is still in this bag, but we are going to open it now to find out what we still have in there. That's my scissors. Oh, okay, I know what this is now. This is indomie. I'm trying to be careful so that I will not open. Oh my goodness, they actually emptied everything inside here, the indomie. I don't know if you can see it, guys. They opened everything and poured it inside. It's not like it's in his own bag. It's not in his own bag. They just poured everything in here. So guys, I'm just kind of upset now. You can see everything I brought out from this carton. It's not like everything I brought out here, I was mentioning the names and I was putting them here. But I found out that some things are missing, like this Milo and this Milo and this. It was supposed to be 2, but they dropped only one pack for us. I have my my stockfish, my egusi, my ogbono, the dry fish, the crayfish, the nocules, the curry, the thyme, the all-purpose seasoning. Okay, that one is all-purpose seasoning. This one is all-purpose seasoning, which cost us 5,000 naira. Then we have the pepper soup spice. We have the abacha one paint. We have the amala flour, the 2 white and black brown amala. So we also have the bitter leaf here. We have the indomie. The indomie, this indomie is about 2 cartons of indomie. That is what is inside here. So we have the indomie. We have the golden more, which was supposed to be, I don't know, it's a big pack, so it's 1. So we have the golden more, but the Milo and the Dano, which is just one. So we have 2 missing from it. So we have the uba. So that, guys, that is all what we got from Nigeria. So guys, every item we bought was 245,120 naira 2 kobo. That is how much we spent on foodstuffs. Then when delivery fee cost us 248,006 naira and 12 kobo. That is how much everything the delivery fee cost us. So in pounds, the foodstuffs cost us 110 pounds 91p pence. 110 pounds 91 pence. So, and the delivery cost us 113 pounds 66 pence. So everything we spent all together for the foodstuffs and for the delivery cost us about 224 pounds 57 pence. So in Naira, what that means in Naira is we spent 493,126 naira 14 kobo. That is how much we spent in total, both for delivery and foodstuffs. Okay guys, tell me what you think about this in the comment section. If you have ordered food from Nigeria to the UK or anywhere in the Western world like Canada, tell me what your experience was in the comment section. So guys, that is that. Updating you maybe in the next let's see, depending on how long it lasts, and I'll let you know if I'm going to be trying this again. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl. And if you are new to my channel, please, and if you are seeing this page for this first time, my name is Rita once again, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And then share to your family and friends, those who are really dreading to see if they can get things from Nigeria down to the UK. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next one.